Hello business friends, my name is Andrea. I am with MINOREA. I would like to thank all the participants and all the supporters that came to the Business Equality Contracting event May 4th. I know that there were some connection issues, and due to the vast amount of content we wanted to cover, we had some delays and we weren't able to cover them. But as promised, we did ask for our guest speakers to record their presentations and share them with you. Therefore, you're going to receive a series of emails with presentations of our outstanding guest speakers, so you can get informed, get the proper resources and the connections to help you build that capacity needed to get those million-dollar contracts. I also want to share some of the solutions we are presenting. We're introducing a series of workshops, back-office workshops, where you're going to be able to get additional value, and we highly encourage you to register and share these workshops, as these are going to be starting on July. We also want to explain our cause, because yes, there is a very important cause to this event, but we'll explain further once you check out our videos.